In this video, I will show you how to repair corrupted images in just 1 minute. So firstly, open this URL repairit.wondershare.com and download and install this free software. You can repair videos, photos and files easily. Just download and install. And there are 3 steps. Add your corrupted file, then click on repair and save. So useful software, it's paid and free version. You can try free version, and if you are happy, so you can buy a advanced and paid version for this software. So thanks for watching, and please comment this video useful for you or not.